Now we'll solve question number 8, exercise 4.2, quadratic equation. First of all, we will make the pair. And how to make pair? -5 plus 6 plus 1. No. -7 plus 6 minus 1, -5 plus 4 minus 1. So -7 plus 6 plus minus minus 7 minus 6 1, sign get a value. Second one pair is -5 plus 4 minus plus -5 minus 4 1, sign get a value. It means our factor will become x minus 5, x plus 4, and x minus 7, x plus 6. These are our two pairs. -5 0 4 equal to 0. X square -5 plus -1 -1. X square minus x, and minus plus minus 5 4s are 20. X into x, x square, -7 plus 6 minus x, minus plus minus 7 minus into plus minus 7 6 are 42. -504 equal to 0. For our equation make easier, if you want to make our equation easier, we will suppose this term is similar, and we suppose this term and this term, x square minus x is equal to y. Now instead of this we will write y minus 20 into y minus 42 minus 504 equal to 0. If we multiply, what we will get? Y square minus 42 minus 20, minus minus plus 2 6, sign minus, minus 62 y, minus into minus plus 42 2s are 84, and 0, 840, minus into minus plus, -504 as it is equal to 0, and plus 840 minus 504, plus minus minus, sign get a value. So y square minus 62y plus 336 equal to 0. Now we'll make factor of 36. 2 1s are 2 6 are 2 8s are 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 2 4 8s are 4 4s are 8, 8 2s are 8, 62, 9, 9, 10, 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 40, 6 5s are 30, and 6 6 are 36. 56 and 6, 6 into 56. So these are the factors. Y square minus 6 5s are 30, 336 is divisible by 6, 6 5s are 30, 3 6 6 is the 36. If we add these two terms, if we add 6 6 6 12, 5 plus 1 6 62. So factors are y square minus 56y minus 6y plus 36 is equal to 0. Now we'll take common y. Y is left, y minus 56. Here minus 56. So it means we will take minus sign. Minus 6. Y minus minus plus. Minus plus. Minus into plus. Minus. 6 5s are 36. 6 are 36. Both these two are same. We will write it these two at one time, and y minus 6 equal to 0. First of all, take y minus 56 equal to 0. Second time we will take y minus 6 equal to 0. Now negative sign become positive sign. Negative sign become positive. Now put, we consider y x square minus x equal to y. So here again, what y is equal to x square minus x. Now x square minus x square minus x is equal to 56. X square minus x minus 56 equal to 0. Now y x square minus x is equal to 6. So x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Minus 6 is equal to 0. 56 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 3, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 7 8s are 56. So 8 and 7. X square minus 8x plus 7x minus 56 equal to 0. X is common, x minus 8 plus 7x minus 8. X plus 7, x minus 8 equal to 0. X plus 7 is equal to 0. First of all, second time x minus 8 equal to 0. Now x is equal to positive 7 will become negative 7. X is equal to negative 8. X is equal to positive 8. Now 6 factor. 6 1s are 6, 2 3s are 6. So x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. X minus 3 plus 2. X is common. Now here 2 is common. 2 x. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So x minus 3 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here x minus 3 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 2. So solution set will become minus 7, 8, 3 and minus 2, which is our required answer.